Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Tech. Um today I'm gonna be taking apart my Acer Aspire A5 E576G to be precise. This laptop, I've had this laptop for about 3 years now, going to 3 years. So I haven't opened it for the first time. So this will be the first time I'll be opening a laptop. I'm presuming that there's going to be a lot of dust build up on the fan, so I'm going to try and clean that out. So this video is just a short tutorial video of how to upgrade your RAM if you still use this laptop. I've used this laptop for about 3 years now. It has been pretty awesome, and it has been my workhorse. I game on it, although it's not a great gaming laptop, but it did okay for the games I played on it: GTA 5, Call of Duty, and some soccer games. So for now, let's get right to it. First of all, you have to make sure it's turned off. So let's shut it down. Okay, it says shutting down. Shut down anyway. Okay, now the PC is turned off. So there's an Apple sticker. So it's an Apple. It's a Mac Acer Aspire A576G. So now let's take it apart. First of all, if you want to change the RAM sticks and the M.2 storage, Acer made it really easy. There's just take out these 3 bolts and you should be good to go. For this, I'm going to be using my Hevanto kit. I got it on Amazon. I'm going to link it in the video description. So to change out your RAM sticks and M.2 storage, all you have to do is first of all start by taking out these 3 bolts. So there's a little notch on this side where you can pry it open. Over the years, I've done some upgrades. I added an additional RAM stick. This one was made by Timetec. This is a 256 gig SATA drive, and I added a 500 gigabyte HDD. The laptop didn't come with a bracket, so I had to improvise one of my own, like a little buffer to keep the drive from sliding around. So to change out your RAM sticks, all you have to do is just pull on these little tabs. And that's it, they're out. So you can fix in your replacement RAM sticks and just screw these out. And pry this open. Don't always remember to. And that's it, RAM sticks are out. SSD is out, so you can replace this screw. So HDD extension is removed. This is Toshiba. Hopefully you get that in camera. So I added this little shock absorber between the HDD and the laptop. So now we're going to proceed. So I'm going to try and keep track of these particular screws for the RAM cover and keep this somewhat safe. I presume so, because we're gonna tear it open. So let's start from, actually this screw is missing, so I'm gonna skip that and go straight to this one. This particular screw lets out the hard drive, so take this one out. Also, you have to take note and make sure all of the screws are out before trying to pry to avoid damaging the back cover. Before you pry, there are some 3 screws beneath the drive. You have to get those screws out first. So with them out of the way, just a gentle pry would separate the case from the back panel chassis from the rest of the body. Okay, so that's it, it's free. Before lifting it up, the speaker connectors, the speaker goes with the back panel, so you have to make sure you keep a close eye on that part. So now down to the laptop itself, you can see that's 3-year worth of dust and grime. So 3-year worth of dust. So I do not have an air pneumatic tool to get rid of the dust, but I have something sort of like a lens cleaner. Okay, so to replace your battery, all you have to do is come right here and separate the battery connector. The battery is not glued in place, so it's quite easy to remove. As you can see, there's the battery specifications in case you want to get a replacement. Battery pads easily pries up the battery. So this is it. This is the battery, in case you're wondering what goes inside of it. This is it. It's an Acer AS16B5J, and it's 5,300 milliamp hours at 11.1 volts. So that's it. So in case you want to change the battery, it's just quite easy. Just set it down this way and connect this pin and you're good to go. But for now, since I'm going to continue working on the PC, I'm not going to connect the batteries yet. I'm going to see how I can get rid of all of this dust. Hopefully, I did a benchmark to see probably there will be a change, since this has been a long time coming. So let's give it a blast. Whoa. I have to say, this feels quite tiring using this tool, blowing air. For those of you who are wondering, this particular laptop comes with an MX 150 graphics, which lies beneath display. This is the 8th gen Intel i5 core processor. It's rated at 15 watts, it's rated at 25 watts. So this is actually the high powered variant of the MX 150. I think it's from the past generation of graphics cards. I'm not too sure about that. And this is how it looks before being put back together, so you can compare the before and after. So I'm pretty damn certain this PC is gonna be probably a bit quieter, or one just a tad cooler, I guess. Well, I'm not bothered about temperatures because there's no way this stuff is gonna let itself go boom. I'm more concerned about the performance, if there will be a performance gain afterwards. As you can see, it comes with a single heat pipe. It's a pretty chunky heat pipe. So let's put it all back together.